Hello everyone and welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that everybody is doing well and that everyone's being kind. If you can today, let's just do something nice for a stranger. Today's video is going to be pretty much like a check off from my wish list video. I actually purchased this right before I made that video. I still hadn't received it. And the reason why I've been waiting to film it for so long is because, this is kind of going to give it away, but it's because I am missing my wedding band set. And the reason why I'm missing it is just because it's actually being soldered. So my wedding band set is 3 pieces, the engagement ring, my wedding band, and another wedding band or another piece that my husband got me for our first anniversary. And it was just a little bit of a hassle getting all those 3 pieces placed, and they would move around. So they are currently being soldered, and I was just hoping that they would come back soon so that I could do this video, because that is a piece that I wear every single day. So with that being said, you probably already know what I'm talking about, and it is an item that is a jewelry item, and it is actually from Cartier. So if you do follow me on Instagram, you already know this, that I received this item, because I do post there more than I do YouTube, since it is a lot easier. So if you'd like, please follow me over there. Same name that I have here, Stephanie Nelson _SN, and I will probably leave it down here for you. So it is a Cartier piece. I have already opened it because it was super exciting when I received it, and I just wanted to open it and I couldn't wait. But I do want to talk to you a little bit about the experience that I've had ordering online. I do not have a Cartier boutique near me, nowhere. I don't think I even have one in the state that I live in. I'm not too sure, but I know it's nowhere close to me. So what I did was I placed an order maybe about a month and a half ago. And if you saw that wish list video, you saw that I ordered a gold love bracelet for my mom. And I did insert a clip of me opening it. But now I ordered a piece for myself, and I wanted to talk about the experience that I received online. So first of all, I placed the order on Cartier.com. For a ring. So what I am about to unbox is a ring, and I placed it without knowing what my size would be. So they do have a little bit of instruction on how to figure out your size, and it includes wrapping a thread around your finger and then taking the size from there, blah blah blah. So I did do that, and my result was 56, I believe. I knew that couldn't be possible because my fingers are really thin. This right here, my ring finger on my left hand, is actually size 4. I knew that wasn't right. I wanted that ring to fit me right here in this middle finger, which is probably my thickest finger of all, including my thumbs, which is a little bit odd. But I didn't believe that. So I went ahead and did 2 sizes smaller, and I ordered a 54. So I ordered a 54, I got my ring in, and it was too big. I wanted it for this thumb, for this finger, like I said, and it was just kind of, I was a little bit scared that I would lose it. My knuckle is the widest part of my fingers, so I wanted to make sure that it went past my knuckle and fit very snug, and that wasn't the case with the 54. So I went ahead and did an exchange, and that was pretty simple. I filled out the paperwork, and it was pretty simple to do, and then I finally received my item. So here is what I got. It's going to be a little bit messy because I've already opened it, like I said. So I got this box in the mail with all these plastic strips protecting sideways and long ways. I cut those off. If I do find a clip, because my husband did take a video, I will insert it in this video so you can see exactly how it came. But it came in this box like this, super pretty, and it had the envelope here with all the information, the paperwork, the certificate of authenticity comes in this little envelope here, and the exchange receipt form if you do want to exchange or return an item. Everything is in here. It's super simple. It is what I did the first time that I received this item because, like I said, it was too big. So this is the authenticity certificate, and I just keep it here. And it does come with a little bag too, because you know, you don't get the experience of going into the store, but that is really nice that they do send you a bag. And it looks like it's dusty, but it's not. It's actually all of the fallout from all of this that they put in there. So in here was my box, and it was wrapped in this pretty white paper. The first time that I got my mom her item, it had kind of like wax stamping on the side, sealing the paper. And when I ordered my first ring that was too big, it also had the wax stamping, but this time it didn't. It just had the paper. Oh, baby, it's my doggy. It just had the paper, the white pretty paper, folded so nicely and so intricately. I believe it's just signature to Cartier. But this time it just had the paper and it had this. So a nice little ribbon tied to it, which is fine as well. So in the box, it looks like this. And you just press right here. And there is my item, and it is the Cartier rose gold, or pink gold as they call it, wedding ring. So the love wedding ring. It's not the regular love ring, as that ring is a lot thicker than this one. This one is thinner and daintier, and I did want to get this one versus the other one because of that reason, because it's a little bit more daintier, and I just prefer that look better. Price wise, it isn't really that much of a difference. I believe this one was around $1,100 and the thicker one is around $1,600. So it really isn't that much of a difference. But like I said, I do like this thinner version a lot better. And this one is a size 53. I will try to focus this so that you can see the inside of it. I don't know if my camera is going to be able to capture that, but it's just so beautiful and so dainty. Like I said, I wanted it for my middle finger, and this is the problem with the 54. So the 54 went right through my knuckle, and then it was kind of a little bit easy to slip out. This 53 is not. It actually slips right in through the thickest part, and then right here it does fit a little loose down at the bottom, down at the base of my finger, but that is totally fine. It looks beautiful. It doesn't look tight. It doesn't have any skin bulging out through the sides or anything like that. So I really like the size, and I can actually interchange this to this hand. I can put it on my pointer finger, I can put it on my thumb, I can put it on this thumb. It's a little bit too tight here, but I just love the way it looks, and I am really happy with my purchase. As you may know, or you may not know, my wedding ring set does have rose gold. It is a it's set on white gold, but then it does have the rose gold on the top, which is a crown, and that's why I really like rose gold, because I like to match it with my wedding bands, which I don't have. But anyway, I still wanted to make this video to show it to you. I didn't want to wait any longer because I had already been waiting so long to make it, and I was super excited about it. So that is one check off that I can do off of my wish list for this year, and I am very happy with it. The only thing that I want to note about this collection is knowing that my mom had her bracelet. Her birthday was September 9th, and she received her bracelets on her birthday. Now it is very scratched. It's not been a month yet, and it is very scratched. My mom is super delicate with her things, but it's inevitable, and I wanted to let you know that. This ring is probably a week, no, not even a week. It's probably like 5 days old, and since I received it, because I did have to do the switch. So and I already see tons of scratches on it. I personally don't get bothered by that. It does not bother me one bit that I have scratches on it, and they are significant scratches because it's something that I wear all the time, every day. It is a piece that I'm going to wear every day, and when hopefully I get my matching bracelet, I will wear it all the time as well. The only time I do not wear this is when I work out. I do work out consistently almost every single day. I do lift weights, and so when I do that, I do not wear my ring. I don't wear gloves when I work out because I've been doing it for a while now and I don't need gloves, but I do not want to scratch it even further, so I do take it off for that only, and then I put it right back on. But I am absolutely in love with my little piece. It does look, from afar, it looks like it's gold, but it's not. It's rose gold, and I really, really like it. It's just so beautiful and so dainty, like I said. So I am excited about this piece, and hopefully I can add more to my collection. I don't know when, but hopefully that will be soon in the near future. And so that is pretty much it. I wanted to talk to you about my experience with Cartier, with everything that I had to go through with the return. Oh, let me mention that when I did have to do that exchange, I did have to call on the phone. They did have a slip that you had to fill out, but you did need to actually talk to a customer service representative because they do have to give you a number that you must include in your return label that is inside the package. You must write this number down, and that you can only get through the customer service rep. So they were super nice, very, very nice, very quick, and my return took about, I would say, a week and a half to 2 weeks to complete. The lady did tell me it probably takes 6 weeks, and I was like, no, I was so upset, but it only took about 2 weeks, a week and a half to 2 weeks. So I'm really happy about that. And even though I couldn't make it to a boutique, first of all, because there's not one near me, and second, because I don't know how everything is going on because of COVID. I don't know how they're dealing with things. But anyway, I've been rambling so much. I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. I do post more family related things over there, as I am a mom, a wife, and I do like to involve you guys a little bit in that aspect of my life too. So if you'd like some kind of content like that, please follow me on my Instagram. And like I always say, and I've been saying for absolutely months now since I started my videos, please never forget to be kind to one another. It is the easiest thing that we can do, and quite frankly, one of the most important things that we should be doing and we should be practicing. So I just want to say that, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.